Hi, I'll be helping you today in finding the parallel line to a given equation. Which equation represents a line parallel to the line whose equation is this and passing through the point 2 and 2. First of all, you gotta solve this equation for y. For x plus 2y equals 14. Solve it for y first, because we need it in this format. Y equals mx plus b. Subtract 4x from both sides. You get 2y equals negative 4x plus 14. You divide by 2, need the y by itself, divide everything by 2. You get y equals negative 2x plus 7. This is the equation. Now we're going to reread the equation, the question one more time. Which equation represents the line parallel to the line whose equation is that? We know all parallel lines have same slope. All parallel lines have the same slope. The slope of this equation is negative 2. And the parallel line slope will equal the same thing as negative 2. Therefore, choice C and choice D are incorrect. 1/2 and 1/2. These are perpendicular lines, not parallel lines. Now, passing through the point 2 and 2. In order for you to do which one is passing through the point 2 and 2, there are two ways to do that. Either substitute, this is x and this is y. Substitute them here in those two choices and find which one will fit this. Or solve it. How? We know y equals mx plus b. The slope is negative 2 and passing through the point 2 and 2. Now this is x and this is y. Substitute here 2 for y equals m, which is negative 2, times x is 2 plus b. We need to find the y-intercept. 2 equals negative 4 plus b. Add 4 to both sides. You get 6 equals b. Therefore, your new equation is y equals the slope negative 2mx plus b, which is 6. And that is a choice B. Alright. Another way to solve this question is the graphing calculator. You go to y equals, you have the original equation is y equals to negative 2x plus 7. This is the first equation of the original equation. Let's make it bolded here. Click enter to make it like this kind of line. Now you gotta do the second one. You try each one of them and see which one is parallel to that one. Y equals to negative 2x plus 6. Graph. Okay, my window is not really accurate, so if you have something like this, you click zoom, standard, zoom 6. You go down to standard. Now we have the two lines, they're parallel. You see the bold line and the regular line here. They're like parallel to each other, but this is not enough because you're looking for a line. The second line must be passing through the point 2 and 2. In this case, we know this is the original one is y1. We don't need it anymore. We need to find the point 2 and 2. X is 2, y is 2. You go to press second graph to go to the table, and you go down to 2. Look at the 2 here. When x is 2, y is 2. And that's the same thing. When x is 2, y is 2. But if you try choice A, you're not going to get 2 and 2. You get something different. Let's try that here. So that means we tried everything or possible solutions. Negative 2x. When you go to second graph, the 2, when you go down to 2, x is 2 and y is negative 4, and that's not the same. It's not passing through the point 2 and 2. Work well.